not a video I want to be making. Obviously, I want to be working on the Subaru, but we have an issue. Which, yeah, daily driver fun. And if I spin you around, is this. So you can see it here. The tyre's losing about 0.1 bar of pressure a day. Ooh, sorry, that'll be quite loud when I hit it. And I flicked through it and I could see this. So what I'm actually spraying on there is the all-purpose cleaner mix. It's not that it's going to work, but you can see blowing bubbles. So that's why I use that mixture, because it will. Some people use very liquid or more. Straight water is quite difficult to see. You want something that bubbles. So fun. So I'm probably just going to put it back on tomorrow. I noticed it because the TPMS warning came on the car. It was down to 1.7 bar, and I've run these at 2.3 on the rears and 2.4 on the front. So this has dropped to 1.7 from 2.3. Putting it back up, we're losing about 0.1 bar a day. So as you can see, they are like new. They're on the rear. It's a front wheel drive car. We love a little trip to Quick Fit. So not how I wanted to be spending my evening. Obviously not going to go to Quick Fit now. But you know, turmoil of cars. I have no idea where I picked that up from. It looks pretty cool though when you get all the bubbles going on it. Bubbles, bubbles, my bubbles. That two-car life fun. I'm going to try and hide the jack position, because people call me out on it. It's in the proper jacking point, it's wooden blocked. Get a grip. It's fine. It's a daily, it's Megane. This little one, on the other hand, sneaky, sneaky wheels. Hello. Original ones, very expensive. We're going to go back onto in a minute and put this back together, because I can't do anything about a puncture tonight at home. It doesn't need spare putting on it. I'm just going to put it back together. I just want to check. It should be repairable where it is. Hello, little puncture. Actually, I noticed it when I was going to work, so it was really lucky. My local petrol station has free air, and it worked for a change. Shout out to Sainsbury's. I'll put this back together, try and get an hour on this. Then we're off to see some friends. Well, I'm off to see some friends. And lots more content coming for you soon. It is less than 4 weeks until the car needs to be ready. So, panic. Let's get a move on. Just to follow up, just a continuation. The spare right position. Megane, all sorted. Used my time wisely. Popped into a local National Tyres. They just did a quick plug on it. It was fine. Literally really good. Rocked up. I said 25 minutes from driving up to being done. Paid driving away. Top marks for them. It's all sorted. We can go back to talking about cleaning and that Subaru life. Cheers.